Hey guys, it's Lauren Folks Adams. I am Sunday, let's see what time it is, 1 o'clock p.m. The winds are picking up and I forgot my iPad at the office. So what better to do than get away from the family so I don't go cray cray and go get my iPad from the office. So we are on our way to the office right now. We're gonna get the iPad and then we're gonna head on right back home because that is the final of our preparations, is making sure you have the bigger screen than your phone to watch your shows when you just need to get away or it's nap time. Either one.
So we are coming up to hurricane time, and you'll see outside we have our generator that's going through our little half bath right there. You'll see Lulu, hey Lulu, and the cords. And as you know, I love plants, and these are all of my smaller plants. Julian's bike. And then outside we have all of the bigger plants grouped together with the stands and my husband's barbecue grill. And everything is picked up. You'll see the extra gas. So yesterday we bought a Generac generator, and we had to take the cover off of the greenhouse because my husband said it's going to fly away. So another thing you'll see is we did laundry early this week, and there's Maddie in the background. Hey Maddie girl. And we did laundry early. Usually we do it always on Sundays, but we did it on Saturday because we figured the power's probably gonna go out and we wanna make sure to have clean clothes. So another thing that we did is you'll see on the third shelf, we have a bunch of Ziploc sandwich bags with a block of ice. So we put water in them, put them in the freezer, and we're gonna keep those so that way when the power goes out, we'll spread it throughout the freezer to keep all the stuff cold still. So you'll see all the outdoor furniture and the pink flamingo that we've had for a couple years, but it's starting to fade. All the furniture is in our living room because we didn't want to keep it outside. Remember I told you it's gonna get really windy today. So Harrison is a Cub Scout, and a couple weekends ago we went to the Dolphin Reserve or something along those lines in Mississippi, and we had to sleep on the floor, and Mommy said no thank you, so Daddy got cots for us, and now the boys will use the cots to sleep in our room tonight to prepare for the hurricane. So the last helpful tip that I'm going to give you is keeping very important documents safe. Put them in your dishwasher. So you'll see I took out the bottom shelf, and that's our little filing cabinet with all our important documents plus a few others. And we'll close the lid and leave that in there because the dishwasher is waterproof. You can't get inside, the water won't come out. So remember we said we're not using the dishwasher because we're going to put our important documents inside. So that means we have to wash our dishes. I hate washing dishes. And I hate dishes left in my sink too. But these guys are drying, they are clean. And then the other thing I wanted to tell you guys about was using plastic forks and knives. So that way you don't have to run your dishwasher and your power's probably going to be out. The boys got Mommy flowers today, and we also got donuts. We know our essentials. Chris, my husband that I always refer to, went and took the top off the greenhouse, and there we go. So I think we are complete now. I have my iPad, we have the top to the greenhouse off, and we are all prepared. So happy hurricane, everyone. Julian, what is it you have? What is it?
A flashlight.
Yeah, and who gave that to you?
Mom.
Mommy. And what's it gonna do, Julian? Yeah. You wanna show us how to turn it on? Wow, can Mommy see it? Bring it over here.
Call today to find out how we give you quality cleaning at reasonable rates. Like us on Facebook and get a quote at guaranteemaidservices.com. Let us give you your weekends back.